Hey, science learners, welcome to today's experiment, which is will seeds grow in the dark? And today we'll know we're successful if we can set up our journal and table of contents page, and then we can set up our experiment cups and leave them in their designated areas. So in 10 days or so, we can check to see how our experiment is growing or not growing. All right, so we're going to start out with your table of contents page, which should look something like this. Today's date is 9/24. Will seeds grow in the dark is page 10. So coming up for my virtual students, what I'm going to ask you to do to get a grade for your journal is to take a picture of your table of contents page. And then I say, I'll pick a page at random. I can pick any page. I can say page 6. I can say page 10. I can say page 3. And you turn to that page and you take a picture of that page. And that will be your grade. So I need you to keep up with me. And that includes your table of contents, which is a problem my face-to-face students have been fighting me on. And I hope it's not you. So pause the video right here and update your table of contents. Make sure everything is recorded correctly. All right. So pause the video and come back. All right, we're going to turn to page 10 now. And of course, there's my page 10. I know I'm on the right page. And my title at the top is Will Seeds Grow in the Dark? And just like yesterday, I need you to set up and draw 4 cups. We're going to label 2 of the cups day 1. Do you see day 1? And we're going to label 2 of the cups day 10. Because you're going to illustrate, scientifically sketch the difference in the cups. Now over here near the spine, I've written warm light and warm dark. Our variable, what a scientist changes in an experiment, our variable this time is either light or dark. It's not going to be temperature. So we only test one variable at a time. So the only thing we're changing, our variable, is either light or dark, right? And then down here at the bottom, of course, class claim, class evidence, and then wonders, your 2 questions that you should have when we finish up our experiment. So you need to pause for me right here. Do the top part. Pause for me right here. And do the bottom. All right. So set your journal to the side, but not away, because we need it at the very end. And now we're going to set up your cups for your experiment. You need 2 cups. You're going to take your seeds. It can be any seeds. If you don't have any seeds, you don't have any cups, you can always watch along with Miss Hudson, who'll help you out with it, okay? But if you'd like to do it on your own and try it out at home, you're more than welcome to. I'm going to put 2 bean seeds in each cup. And I had somebody ask me the other day, Miss Hudson, can I use those bean seeds that I get at the grocery store, like the lima bean seed? And I was like, yeah, those will grow. So you can use those if you're having trouble. Get some dried beans from the grocery store if you want to, or just watch with Miss Hudson. We're all good here. Then you're going to get a wet paper towel. Remember, it doesn't need to be dripping. It just needs to be slightly squeezed. And what you're going to do is put it down so that it's covering the seeds. You can see the seeds there in the bottom, but it's not crushed down on there, right? And I'm going to get another one. See, too wet. So I'm going to squish it just a little bit. Not too much, just a bit. And I'm going to put it down in the cup. All right. So now I have my 2 cups with my seeds, and I'm ready to put them in a warm light spot, and I'm ready to put them in a warm dark spot, and I'm going to leave them for 10 days. If you're doing this experiment, make sure that a parent knows that they're not trash and there's not scariness going on, that they're a science experiment, okay? And you've got to remember where you put them. It's like, for example, the warm light spot, I'm going to put this cup in the windowsill at the classroom. My warm dark spot, I'm going to put it in my closet, where I had the other dark spot before. All right, so somewhere somebody doesn't open the cabinet a lot might be a good place, or under your bed might be a good place. Who knows? I don't know. You know better than me. All right, guys, I'm going to go put my cups up, and then we need to draw. Before I go do that, I want you to draw in what it looks like in day 1. So you might have your seeds in the bottom. Almost forgot to document. And then your paper towel on the top, just like yesterday's experiment, okay? I'm going to color my seeds in. And do my paper towel on there. So it shows what they look like on day 1, okay? So make sure you do that too. Miss Hudson almost skipped that, thinking about where I was going to put my cups. Don't make that mistake. All right, science learners. See you soon, okay?